welcome to Raksha and Riya World.
Hi friends, this is Dubai and there's so many boats in there. I'm very excited. Now I'm gonna go for boating. And look here, I love this water. It's very, very cool. And look at Riya, she's almost wet. My God, it's awesome. Water fight! Hi friends, today we are the boating. We are going for a boating. Mom and Dad is rowing. We are singing row, row, row your boat. Oh my God, it's going awesome. Wow, it's awesome. And Ria is a bit scared. She's not too scared. She's a bit scared, and it's awesome. Ria, you're not scared, right?
I'm so scared.
Actually, Elephant DUBARE is known for its elephant camp. It is a forest camp of river Cauvery at the distance of 29 km from Madikeri and 15 km from Kushalnagar in Kodagu district of Karnataka. Now I'm going to say about the wildlife here. The moist of the deciduous forest of DUBARE are home to many wildlife animals in here, like birds and bears are also in this forest. Bears. Oh my God. See, there's birds here. And run! Sometimes there are crocodiles seen in these rivers. Oh my God. And it's also home to animals like reptiles and non-venom snakes. Snakes? It's okay, they're non-venom. It's okay, they're not too poisonous. Okay, I like this place. It's so cold in here. Oh my God. Look at the water, it's green. Olive green, yeah, it's olive green. And this nature is very beautiful actually. See? This is a deciduous forest. I like this. This is the proper nature without no pollution. Duck, 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 down! Oh, it's not hitting us. It's too high. I thought it's gonna hit us. It'll bump our head. Ow, it's gonna pain. I thought so, but it's not. Yeah, it's not gonna. It was a bit high. Yeah, if it was a bit low, I was about to get hurt. Look at the scenery. I like this so much. You're gonna visit this place, okay? You are gonna. This river is Cauvery, and I like this. It's very tough. You need to push the water out. Like what? She's so fat with this kind of stuff on her. Even me. A bit. Not too. Look.
You have to pedal.
No.
Like a pedal.
Oh yeah.
You have to pedal.
Pedal. Robot. Okay, rowing boat. Can we get down in here?
No.
Huh? Yeah! Getting down in here, we are gonna swim.
It's super deep.
Is that a rock?
That's
No,
so
there's
deep.
Everyone's going inside. Too lucky. Even we are gonna go. Even we are lucky.
I want to.
Look at the trees too. Something is happening in here.
Dad, I don't want to hear.
Here? What do you want to do?
Okay.
But I'm still scared.
You're having float now.
Nothing will happen, right? Yeah. Then I'm going. Bye bye. We're not going here. It's too deep, so we're gonna go with a friend and just swim there. But still, we are wearing protecting things. It's a big tree. Oh my God.
I'm simply pushing water.
Front to back.
The stick is very heavy. What is this stick made up of? Dad, what's this thing made up of? It's not too heavy. The stick is not heavy.
Now, done. Try this side. 3 people are doing that side. Try this side.
I want to do it.
Try this side. Only one person is doing it here. Try this side.
I get it.
Done. Good. Yes.
Yeah, this side is not too deep.
I think you have to hold it here. Hold it.
It's easy. But very. It's not easy. Some of the guy in here. It's cold, very cold. Let's go. Stop it here. Stop it. I must come. That's what I do.
Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe to Raksha and Riya World for more videos. Thank you. Bye.